New Zealand yen, right? So New Zealand and Aussie has been quite a weak pair, at least in my perspective it is, right? So I am open to short this, right? So I'm waiting for a retest at 86.69 for a shorting opportunity over here. Down to the daily chart, you can wait for retest of resistance, but I do need to have a RSI overbought. Not saying that it's going to happen. Let's see how this form out over here, right? If not, for those who have long it, my students, this ABCD pattern, you have got it, and now you have passed your first target. You have a running profit of 561 pips. If you traded one standard contract, that'll be more than 3,000 US dollar, right? Good on you, right? So if you want to learn this skill set to trade with just 15 minutes a day, drop me a DM, right? So to the 4-hour chart, what we have over here, ABCD pattern shorting opportunity, right? That is when the daily and 4-hour charts start to have a big conflict, and which is much more important. I will not say the higher or lower time frame in both ways. If your first target has already been met, shift stops to entry, set the next level that you are going to watch closely, and if those levels are being violated, then you know what to do, right? So anyway, for those who have shorted on the ABCD pattern, you have a running of 47 pips as well, right? So not too bad, right? If I were you, the good thing is you already hit the first target, shift stops to entry, watch how the market open tomorrow, check it at 9 a.m. candlestick. So if you live in Singapore, same region as me, right? Look at the 9 a.m. candle and see if you have a bearish engulfing candle, right? If you don't, then you have to be very, very careful. To the 1-hour chart, if you're looking for a buying opportunity on New Zealand yen, right, there are two opportunities. You have the type 2 retest on the 5-0 pattern, right? Over here, you can see that you hit the first level, went up, second time, went up again, right? Although you have not hit the target profits, but you just traded this movement. First, you have 82 pips, followed by all these retests. I'll just use this level to measure 65, 65, 65, 82, right? Not too bad, right? You're just trading both ways on this bearish chart in 5-0. It's not too bad of a money already on New Zealand yen, right? So if you want to learn these skill sets and earn additional income with just 15 minutes a day, drop me a DM, right? Should the market fall and close below the 5-0 pattern, then you do have a butterfly pattern combination set up at 84, or rather I would say 85 flat area for a buying opportunity on the New Zealand yen.